This is my second train today, bro. They are literally just about back to back, but here they go. Here it goes. Dad's gonna miss it. My dad's gonna miss it if you don't hurry up. Who cares? I just want this thing to get through right now. Has a follow my line for the engines, then for the cars, because I just saw 15T pass mixed freight. This is an intermodal 22A, so this will be the first intermodal. Well, not first intermodal, but you know what I mean. Well, actually, yeah, first intermodal of the evening. Yay! I'll get to see an intermodal, my favorite. Yay! Could be a heritage unit, we didn't know. Because the ES44 has heritage units, so could be. Because it sounded definitely like an ES. Here she comes! Nope, it's regular, standard black and white NS, ES44. A thing to be ashamed of. To not see. Coming golly. But it's all an S. I was hoping for something different. Yep. All in S. Wahoo. Wahoo, wahoo, wahoo. What might not be. Who knows? Yep, it's definitely 22A. Oh, here it comes. Whoa, already. Oh, there we go. That's the blow. I'm gonna do it. Okay, that's wild, actually. Not done it. If he does it, it's okay. And it's 36-41 leading. All in AS. It gave me a little toot anyway, guys. First one was an ET44AC. Second one was a D944CW, and the last one was an ES40 or 44DC. My leg's just itching. Like I just got bit by a mosquito or something. but it's not. So you can say that was a short time. It wasn't the end of it. Oh, it's just the flatbed's coming. Flatbed's coming. Of course. I hadn't seen it last few times when things away. But here comes the flatbeds. Whatever you call them. Some bear tables. Bear tables, that's what you call them. Some evergreen containers. Oh, flatbed, flatbed, blah, 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 blah. It's going so slow. Well, I can believe it. Oh, and here comes more of the ones that have intermodal cars like these. Please. Okay. So there wasn't all bear tables, but there's bear tables coming up. And then, actually no, those are still bear tables. So yes, it's still flatbeds. So they're still bear tables. Still ain't the end of it yet. Yeah, see, here's the bear tables. Can't tell if those are more. Hang on. Those might be. I'm not sure. Here comes the end of it, guys. Till the end. And no. Yes, all the rest is bear tables. I figured something like that would happen. I basically forgot about all them bear tables being on 22A. So I hadn't seen it in a while. Yep, see, here comes the end of it. Yep, here comes the end, right there. Hang on. See you guys, Rough on Wheel out.